Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target beauty box unboxing. I love the subscription box. It's super cheap. It's only $7. It's free shipping. And every box that I've gotten has been totally worth it. I mean, it's only $7. I think it's the cheapest subscription service. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Card says, hello, flawless beauty finds. If you're anything like us, you've tried and tested just about every beauty product on the market to find the essentials you just can't live without. We're talking eyeliner that promises to give you the perfect wing and a makeup remover that actually sloths away excess residue. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that we know we can always rely on, and you can too. Okay, on the back, it just talks about the products and has a $3 off coupon for Target for a beauty purchase. Beauty purchase of $15 or more, you get $3 off. Okay, first thing in the box, this is from one of my favorite companies ever, Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Argan Oil and Lavender Relaxing Deodorant. I actually just started using the coconut water and mimosa flower deodorant, and I absolutely freaking love it. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know that that is like one of my all-time favorite scents ever. I can already smell it, and it smells amazing. I'm so excited for this. Next, we have some premium cotton rounds, I'm assuming to use with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. All-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. So yeah, these two go together. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. This says it's for scars, stretch marks, dry damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So that's what that guy looks like. I'm excited to try this. Ooh, I like this box. All right, what is this? This is, I could be looking at the little paper here. This is the Schmidt's Natural Travel Size Toothpaste Activated Charcoal. Activated charcoal helps freshen breath, combat plaque, and visibly whiten teeth for a picture-perfect smile. Is this like black toothpaste? I need to see. It is. Oh, smells like toothpaste. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. And the last thing in the box is from Method. This is the Body Wash Pure Peace. Peony, rosewater, and pink sea salt. Infused with peony, rosewater, and pink sea salt, this purifying body wash leaves skin thoroughly moisturized and smelling fresh. This is a decent size. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. This is a really good size. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. That smells so good. Oh, it smells so pretty. Okay, so my thoughts on this box, totally worth $7. I'm super excited to try this deodorant. Again, it's from one of my favorite companies ever. This body wash smells amazing. I am definitely going to try this skin therapy oil and the toothpaste, yes. And then the micellar water, I can always use this to take my makeup off. If you are interested in purchasing this box, you need to do so ASAP because they do sell out. I will have a link down below. I will also link my other Target beauty box unboxings down below as well. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. 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 That was creepy.